everyone. Welcome back to Poets and Quants' Must Reads, your quick, digestible recap of the top business school news sponsored by Center Court, our virtual admission events. I'm your host, Christy Blyzeffer, and I'll be highlighting the most important P&Q stories you might have missed. So let's get to it. Number 1, Best 40 Under 40 Business School Professors of 2025. We are proud to present this year's Best 40 Under 40 list of MBA professors featured right now on our homepage. This is the 13th edition of our annual recognition, and our goal remains unchanged: to identify and celebrate the most talented young professors currently teaching in MBA programs around the world. This year's list includes professors from 39 schools, including 17 international schools. We received more than 1,700 nominations from students, colleagues, and professors themselves. We congratulate each man and woman honored this year, and we invite you to read their individual profiles at poetsandquants.com. Number 2, I left everything behind: how one international student rebuilt his life and career with an MBA. Congressman Sean Casten once said, "Immigrants are people who leave behind their roots, culture, language, and family to start a new life in America. And this entrepreneurial spirit is what built this great country." These words have stayed with Yuya Matsushita ever since he met the Illinois representative in Chicago. For him, it's not just a memorable line. It's a reflection of his own life. In his early 30s, Yuya quit a steady job at a respected Japanese trading company, walked away from the family and familiarity, and moved to the United States with no income, limited English, and a bold plan: earn an MBA, launch a career, and build a new life. And that's what he did. You can read more about his MBA journey right now from our trending tab. Number 3, Trump's attacks on Harvard's foreign students will haunt U.S. higher education for years. The recent attempt by Donald Trump to revoke Harvard's ability to enroll international students is far more than an isolated political stunt or an administrative outreach. It's a siren call to the global academic and business community. America's welcome mat may no longer be out. In this commentary, Poets and Quants founder John Byrne argues that even if courts permanently block this move, the damage is already done. You can learn why in this commentary from our homepage. Our weekly roundup of news you can use. No matter where you are in your MBA journey, we bring several helpful stories to you this week. First up, 2025-2026 MBA admission application deadlines at leading business schools. In this article, now up on our homepage, we explain why schools can expect lower applications this cycle. Next, MBA application rounds: what to know about round 1, 2, and 3. When it comes to applying to business school, timing matters, but perhaps not in the way many applicants assume. Find out why in this article in our admissions hub. And finally, 2025-2026 MBA admission events by school. This story, which is also up on our homepage, lists the recruiting events calendars for over 65 top business schools. And that's it for this week's Must Reads recap. I also want to alert school seekers to our events tab from our main menu. There you'll find all the upcoming admission events for a range of degree and programs, including full-time and online MBAs, specialized masters, entrepreneurship, and more. Registration is free. Again, I'm Christy Blyzeffer, and you can join me next week right here for a recap of what's important in the world of business education. Thanks for listening.